Hi, my name is David. Welcome to my course, Keep Hacking and Making Money at HackerOne. HackerOne is your big opportunity. Whether you are a bug hunter, ethical hacker, or penetration tester, this is a place for you because you can go there and you can hack legally. And at the same time, you can make money, which is just beautiful. You can get different rewards for your hacking. For example, you can get $100, $1,000, or even $10,000 per bug. It's just awesome. What you need is an internet connection and knowledge. You can hack many different companies that are clients of HackerOne. For example, Twitter, Yahoo, Uber, Coinbase, and a lot more. Can you see that? The biggest companies in the world are clients of HackerOne. And now you can go there and you can hack them legally and make money. It's like a dream, but it really works. I will tell you even more. Even the United States Department of Defense is a client of HackerOne. So now even the government organizations are out there for you and you can hack them and you can do it legally. It's just beautiful. I am really excited about it. Now the question is what you can hack at HackerOne. Well, you can hack all the things. You can hack web apps. You can hack mobile apps, desktop apps, even network infrastructures. It's amazing. It depends on the program, of course, but you see a lot of different options. In this course, I will focus on the web apps because this is the most popular target at HackerOne, right? Virtually every single company has web application and web service that is in scope of their program so that you can go there, you can hack and make money at the same time, right? That's what I'm gonna focus on, web apps, because they are the most popular target at HackerOne. But don't worry if you specialize in mobile apps, desktop apps, or for example, network infrastructure hacking. You can still find a lot of opportunities out there. Now the question is, well, you can say, David, it sounds really cool, but how shall I start? I already prepared a course, Start Hacking and Making Money Today at HackerOne. This is one of my previous courses. And in this course, I gave an introduction into the HackerOne and I presented the list of 5 bugs that I recommend you to start with. I just wanted to give you a kind of a starter, the bugs that really work. I am one of the top hackers at HackerOne and I'm really fortunate to be on this list. And I just wanted to share with you what works, what kind of bugs I submitted for years as a starter and how I got different rewards. Now we have to realize that, well, we've got a lot more than 5 bugs, right? For a start. That's why we need something extra. We need more bugs because we want to double our rewards. We want to double our payments, right? So now it's time for a follow-up course. And this is exactly what this course is all about. I'm going to give you more knowledge. I'm going to give you more bugs because I want you to progress. I want you to hack and make money. So what I'm going to present is the next 5 bugs. Yeah, more bugs for you so that you can be more and more successful. And this course is gonna be technical, so I will dive into demos. I love demos because in the demos you can see how things really work. Because I want you to reproduce all these bugs in your own pen testing, in your own hacking, right? If you don't see this kind of hands-on stuff, you cannot reproduce the steps. So I will dive into the demos. Of course, there will be some kind of overview at the beginning, but then we will jump directly to the demos because I want you at the very end of this course to be able to find more and more bugs in your own hacking. So let me now jump to the next 5 bugs. The first one is related to login functionality. I'm going to show you how you can impersonate a user when there is a kind of problem in login functionality. It's gonna be related to broken session management, and I see this kind of problem quite often. That's why I'm gonna present it to you, because quite often you can get paid for this kind of problem. Next, I'm gonna dive to something very different. I'm gonna dive into the metadata. Bug hunters very rarely look into the metadata, but this is an opportunity for you. You can find a lot of sensitive information in metadata. Metadata is something that you don't see, but it is out there and it can contain some sensitive information, right? This is how it works. I'm gonna show you step by step how you can extract this metadata and learn if there is any kind of information disclosure. After that, I will discuss disclosure of credentials, and I'm going to show you how you can find the disclosure of credentials in a web application. So you will be playing with HTTPS enforcement, and you will see how it works, if there is any kind of problem in the web app or not. After that, I will discuss insecure password change. Password change obviously is a very sensitive functionality, and we want everything to be implemented securely out there. But in reality, there are different problems, and I'm going to show you one interesting problem that I find quite often in different web apps. So it will be the bug number 4 in this course. And finally, I will discuss a dictionary attack. So I'll tell you what it is actually and how to find whether this attack is possible, so that you will be really able to check this out on your own. So basically, this is it. The next 5 bugs that really work for me, that I have been submitting for years to different companies, and I got paid for these bugs. And I want you to be more and more successful as a hacker. HackerOne is a really great opportunity right now for us, bug hunters, ethical hackers, penetration testers. So I hope you will make the most of this course, you will enjoy the course, and at the very end, you will make more money. So this is it for an introduction. So now let's jump to the next video, and the next video actually is gonna be the first bug from this list.